right about now, we want to take shot. Attention.
Put on your armor.
Why don't you
put on your armor?
Put on your armor.
Put on your armor.
Why don't you
put on your armor?
No, you are. From the day I was born, the devil on my back. He never give me a break, he never cut no slaps. He was my master. I was put on that, but the day that Jesus rescued me, I never turned. But now me a walk and I talk. The devil in my face. He never think that I can join this gospel race, but with the sword of the spirit and the shield of faith, I'm gonna wear my armor even through every day. Put on your armor. Man, put on your armor.
Put on your armor.
Put on your armor.
Put on your armor.
It's a spiritual warfare.
Put on your armor.
No, but we wrestle not against flesh and blood, but against spiritual wickedness and high powers of the darkness and all kind of things. The devil is a mad and are you incompetent to come and destroy your soul and then not think twice. But Christ I'm on the cross so it can bring your life. Just stop for a while and take a look around you. If you pray for the future, Jesus Christ will take you through.
Put on your armor.
Man, put on your armor.
Put on your armor.
Put on your armor.
Put on your armor.
No, why don't you?
Put on your armor. Put on your armor.
And this world's in trouble.
Put on your armor.
Just.
Put on your armor.
When God is on your side,
put on your armor. I am a Christian soldier. I am a Christian soldier. And with the Lord on the side.
Put on it, helmet of salvation, replace our righteousness. So long you do your part, man, God will do the rest. And gird the truth and the shield of faith. When the devil launch attack, man, they can't penetrate. The sword of the spirit and the gospel of peace must be on your feet. Now you are ready and equipped and the Lord on your side. Satan must get defeat. Why don't you
put on your armor?
Man, put on your armor.
Put on your armor.
Man, put on your armor.
Put on your armor.
Special warfare.
Put on your armor.
From the day I was born, the devil on my back. He never did a break, he never cut no slaps. He was my master. I was put on that, but the day that Jesus rescued me, I never turned. But now me a walk and I talk. The devil in my face. He never think that I can join this gospel race, but with the sword of the spirit and the shield of faith, I'm gonna wear my armor even through every day. Put on
your armor.
Oh boy.
Put on your armor.
Man, the devil have to run you.
Put on your armor.
Man, put on your armor.
Put on your armor.
Man, put on your armor.
Put on your armor.
It's the spiritual warfare.
Put on your armor.
Is that on your side?
Put on your armor.
Man, put on your armor.
Put on your armor.
Devil just a run you.
Put on your armor.
Man, the devil just a run you.
Put on your armor.
Why don't you?
Put on your armor.
Can't really fight without you.
Put on